So, you want to make lip sync AI videos that look awesome but cost $0? Same here. In this tutorial, I'll show you step by step how to use Heygen AI completely free, and at the end, I'll reveal a sneaky trick that lets you pump out unlimited videos, a hack most people don't even know exists. Don't miss that part, it's too good. And hey, if free AI hacks are your thing, hit subscribe so you don't miss the next one.
So before I show you how to generate unlimited videos for free with Heygen AI, let's first create an avatar that we'll use to generate the videos. I already have a prompt prepared for the avatar. You can find it in the description box or comment section. I'll copy it, open my browser, and visit sora.chatgpt.com. Once you're on the Sora website, click on the edit icon. Good. Now paste in your prompt. If you want the avatar to look like you'll need to upload your own image. So let's say I want mine to look like me. I'll upload an image from my device. When the image is uploaded, I'll hit Remix, and Sora will start generating our avatar. Let's wait for it. Great! The avatars are ready. We got 2 images, so I'll go ahead and download them. Now I'll open a new tab in incognito mode. I'll search for Heygen and visit the site. Then in another tab, I'll search for temp mail and click on tempmail.org. From there, I'll copy the disposable email address, go back to Heygen, and click on Sign Up. I'll paste the email address, hit Continue, then grab the verification code from temp mail. I'll paste it back into Heygen, set a password, confirm it, and click Continue. Now our account registration is complete. Next, I'll just select anything and click through the setup screens to finish. Good. Now let's start creating with Heygen. I'll click on Avatar AI Video, upload the avatar we just generated, and now we have options. We can upload audio, record audio, or type a script. Let's start with typing a script. Wait, there's a small issue. I need to switch to desktop mode. Okay, let's do that. Perfect. Now I'll upload the avatar again and paste the script. Next, I need to select the voice actor. I'll browse through the available voices and pick one I like. I'll also give it a prompt that I normally use. Make realistic hand gestures and head movements while talking. Now I'll hit Generate. Good. Let me show you another way of generating, this time with a different format. I'll go back to Photo to Video, upload the avatar again, but instead of typing a script, I'll record my own voice. People usually prefer to use their own voice for these kinds of videos. You can record directly on your phone or inside Heygen. I'll click to record audio, allow access, and then record what I want my avatar to say. If I like the recording, I can add the audio. If not, I can simply re-record. I'll go ahead and add the audio. Give it the same prompt, and hit generate. Now, let's try another option, uploading a voiceover file. Maybe you've already recorded a voiceover on your phone, or you generated one with 11 Labs, Google AI Studio, or any other AI tool. Here's how to upload it. I'll go back to photo to video, upload the avatar again, and this time choose Upload Audio. I'll upload a voiceover I generated earlier in Google AI Studio. After that, I'll add the audio, give it a prompt again, and hit generate. Now, we've successfully created 3 videos with Heygen for free. Just so you know, when you sign up for an account with Heygen AI, you can generate up to 3 AI lip-sync videos for free. So once you've used up your 3 free videos, you won't be able to generate more until a week or 2 later. But here's the trick to generate unlimited videos. This is where the disposable email service comes in. After downloading the videos from one account, simply close your incognito browser window. Remember, we opened Heygen in private mode. Let me show you. This is my normal browser, and this is my incognito mode. So once I'm done downloading the videos, I'll just close the incognito session. Now I'll open a brand new incognito tab, go to Heygen again, and repeat the process. Open tempmail.org for a fresh disposable email, sign up for a new Heygen account, and generate another 3 videos. So each time you repeat this process, you can keep generating unlimited videos with Heygen AI, completely free.